Hey, welcome to our channel app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check out the login device information on the app Rednote. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Rednote app on your phone. After you do this, click on the three lines on the top left hand corner of the screen. After you do that, click on Settings on the bottom left hand corner and tap on Account Security. After you tap on Account Security, you can see Login Device Information. So if you want to check out the login device information about your device and other devices which you have connected your Rednote app with, just go ahead and tap on Login Device Information, and as you can see, the current device and other devices will also be shown over here. So if you want to check out which device has been logged in with your account, just go ahead and click on the three lines on the top left hand corner. Click on Settings and go to Account Security. After that, click on Login Device Information, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.